Hey everybody, it's Sharon here, and it is Saturday, March 20th, and I'm headed to Kentucky. I have not been over there since I think about New Year's. When I left, the weather was still like in the 50s, and after that, we had some freezing temperatures, sub-zero for a couple of weeks. So fortunately, I thought ahead and shut off the water and drained the lines in the house and opened the cabinet doors under the kitchen sink. So hopefully nothing froze up. So one of the things I'm going to do is I took off the stairs on that front porch because they were all rotted. So I got some lumber. I already have it cut. Some of it I have primed. And I'm going to at least get the stairs up. I don't think I'm going to get the railing up this time. And then do a few things in the house. And it's supposed to be in the 60s and sunny today and tomorrow. So I am definitely getting outside to do something fun too. Not sure what yet. So come on along with me and let's have some fun. I was really hoping to be able to reuse the stringer, but most of the boards are split, so it wouldn't make a very sturdy stairs. So I'll also take that off, take it home, cut me a new one. It's been on my list to get it changed out to something a little nicer. So I have it right here. Now, unfortunately, it's like way over. I mean, I would rather have it over a little bit because this one's a little bit bigger. But I guess I'm going to have to work with what I want, what I have. I don't want to make another hole. Plus, I don't know how much wiring is back there. Well, I'm taking this light down. And it looks like I'm not the only one that has an interest in this whole bunch of wasp nests. I don't see or hear anybody, so. All right, I think they're out. And you can see I don't have any screws, up on the surface here where it's attached. And I do that intentionally. I don't like the look of, screws being on the top of the wood. So that's why I did it underneath. I think it turned out just like I thought it would. Okay, so on the front porch here, before we cleaned it up, there were a lot of bird nests up in these rafters here. And I love birds, but they make a mess. And they also used to build up in here, which I really don't want them doing that now anymore. So I got a stuffed owl. Supposed to scare them off. So far, all it's done is scare me every time I open the door here. There's a couple wires to hang them on. I probably should do that. I don't have my snake chaps on, but I got some really long boots. And then I've been using this just to walk in front of me. Not that I'm thinking I'm going to need it, but you never know. So let's see what's behind door number 1 on this side here. Another one of them things that we'll get to. Just a matter of time. There's a bunch of that wormy poplar stacked up over here that I still want to get. Well, that is all I'm doing on it today. I put the wood filler in, all those screw heads, so I'm going to let that dry and sand that tomorrow. And I'm going to put 2 coats of the gray on, so the gray is done. And then I don't know if I had my white with me or not. I'll have to look. Wow, the wasp bun, I really like this one. Alright, I'm going to turn the power back on, so you're going to see it first, including any sparks. Oh, seeds. Oh, they're onion. Oh, no thanks. This is what I wanted to get. Well, there's a piece of history. Well, that's a plus. I don't see any smoke. Hey, I wonder if I could use this bucket on that old well from Curtis's property. So, in one of the doors here, I found another bucket. Now this one was pretty roached out. And I was going to hang that on the well pump. I'm also bringing back some chicken feeders that I found. Even if they're for decoration, they're still cute. Now that's more like it. Well, another small project off the list. These are oak boards from, I think they're from Kentucky, the other barn. So I made it tall enough. Put some boots under there, some tall ones. And then room for some shorter things over here. And then on this side, I'm going to put some kind of, just some little storage shelves right there. Probably some little square ones with the baskets. Look at that mess. I think I'll just look at this side for a while. Well, getting to be the end of another beautiful day. It was pretty productive. I'm actually on the front porch. Evening sun is gorgeous. And I'm doing what my sign says. A lot of front porch sitting.